Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Stacker's Recon. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. We had a lot of movement in the markets in the last week, so let's get into it. Gold closed at $4,552.70. That's up $224.40 from a week ago. We have officially broke out from the level of $4,379, and the next target is the $4,900 area. Once we get up towards that area, we'll talk about where we could potentially go next. Silver, on the other hand, closed at $77.19 and almost hit $80 on Friday. That's up $9.71 from a week ago. This is a massive move to the upside. In a lot of articles that I've been reading, there seems to be a marketing campaign going on that is discouraging people from buying additional silver or trying to get them to sell their silver. Is this because there is a massive demand of silver? We all believe there is. I believe that there is. And there's still a lot of movement in the silver to come. We have officially hit $80. We're still looking to hit that triple digit area. We don't know where this is going to settle out, but the gold and silver ratio this week closed at 57.12. That's 10 points narrower from a week ago. Another major move in this metals market. We're still looking for the 30 area for that spread, and we'll see where we head from there. We're down at 30 on that ratio back in 2011, and we'll see if we continue to narrow that up or if we find a little bit of support there. Copper this week closed at $5.84, up 33 cents from a week ago. We are very close to breaking out above that 604 area that we talked about. We've talked a lot about as silver and gold continue moving higher, that copper is going to continue to stay strong as well. Lead also ended up finding support like we talked about last week at $19.84.17, up $11.75. Lead did end up finding support like we talked about last week. It closed at $19.84.17, up $11.77 from a week ago. Crude oil closed at $56.74, down 22 cents from a week ago. There was a lot of sideways action in some of these other markets this week due to low volume and the holidays. There was no new news or developments on the Venezuela deal, so I anticipate that oil will stay sideways from here on out until there's any new news. Bonds closed at 115.17, or 4.8% yield, down 0.02% from a week ago. More sideways trading in the bonds market. If you remember, the government is continuing to buy $40 million worth of T-bills every month. For how many months, we don't know yet, but they are still buying the T-bills. We talked about watching what happens to this bond market, and so far it is pretty steady. There's also low volume during the holidays, so not a lot of movement there. Bitcoin closed at $87,960, down $100 from a week ago. Again, very low volume there, and sideways action for last week. 9mm this week closed at 27 cents, up 2 cents from a week ago. 5.56 62 grain FMJ ammo closed at 48 cents, up 2 cents from a week ago. So there was a slight uptick in the pricing of ammo. I anticipate that there could be more as the copper and lead markets continue to move higher. We'll probably see ammo lag behind, but we'll start raising higher. That's it for this week. I'm out here on the road, so that's why I'm in a different setting than I usually am. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next week.